In this class, we shall continue with our next topic, that is the type of ovule. We shall learn with each type of ovule. So here we'll learn the types of ovule on the basis of attachment, of the funicle to the ovary wall. So the first one will be, we shall learn, is the orthotropus, O-R-T-H-O, orthotropus, P-U-S. Orthotropus ovule is that type of ovule in which the funicle, the chalazal, lie and the micropyle lies in the straight line. Funicle, chalazal, and micropyle lie in the straight line. The diagram is like this. Here's the funicle. It attached into the ovary wall. Here is the funicle, here is the chalazal, and here is the micropyle. The micropyle, the chalazal, and the funicle, they are in a straight line. We can also say that an orthotropous ovule is upright. U-P-R-I-G-H-T, upright. The next type of ovule is Anatropus. Number 2 is Anatropus ovule. Anatropus ovule is inverted. And the diagram of the ovule is like this. This is the chalazal, the micropyle, and this is the funicle. Anatropus ovule is mostly found in angiosperm. A-N-G-I-O-S-P-E-R, angiosperm. Then the next type of ovule is known as the Hemitropus. Hemitropus ovule. The Hemitropus ovule is transverse. And the figure is this is the micropyle, this is the chalazal, and this is the funicle. And is transverse, and the micropyle is, and to the chalazal is a straight line, and it makes 90° with the funicle, and it makes 90° with the funicle. That is why it is a transverse type of ovule. The next type of ovule is known as the Campylodropus. C-E-M-P-Y, Campylotropous, Campylotropus ovule. Here, Campylotropus, the figure of the ovule is between the figure of the ovule is between the inverted and the transverse. Inverted is the figure is like this, and but the transverse, the figure is like this. So the figure of this Compilotropus ovule is between this one, is between this one, between this angle. So let us draw the figure here. But the embryo sac does not bending, so it is like this. This is a Compilotropus. And then the next type of ovule is Amphidropus ovule. The Amphidropus ovule, it is like the Compilotropus ovule. The shape is like the Compilotropus ovule. It is between the inverted, the angles lies between the inverted and the transverse. So but here the embryo sacs, it shows bending, and the embryo sac is like a horseshoe. So embryo sac bending, and shoe-like, and like a horse-like. So here is the micropyle, the chalazal, and the funicle. Oh, sorry, here also is the micropyle, the chalazal, and the funicle. And the last type of the ovule is known as the Cersinotropus. Cersinotropus ovule. Here, the ovule and the placenta, they come like in a shape of a circle. So that is why in the shape of a circle, and that is why it is known as the Cersinotropus. So this is the funicle. This is the funicle, and then it goes like this. It's like a circle. The funicles is like a circle. This give a 360 degree. This is the chalazal, and this is the micropylar. These are the 6 types of ovule which we found in our plant kingdom. Maybe in a plant kingdom like in pteridophyte, gymnosperm. Some are found in pteridophyte, gymnosperm. Some are found in bryophyte, etc., etc. But here we see only the shape, we see only the structure on how it is attached to the ovary wall. So that's all we have for the types of ovule.